AI assisted capabilities are now available in Fabric Data Factory, making data transformations, copying data, all that stuff easier than ever. Learn all about it and see some live demos this week on Data Exposed. Hi, I'm Anna Hoffman, and welcome to this episode of Data Exposed. Today, I'm joined by Penny from the Data Factory team, and we're going to be talking about Copilot in Fabric Data Factory. Now, this is something I don't really know anything about, so I'm excited to learn, Penny. So, before we get into it, Penny, can you tell us a little bit about what you're going to cover with us today?
Yeah, hey Anna, hi fans in the Data Expose. I'm the Penny from the Data Factory team. I'm the product manager for the designing the Data Factory related Copilot and AI tools. So we're so excited that we are having this kind of new Copilot capability that can help you to more easily to transform your Azure SQL data, help you to load your Azure SQL data to a destination that you want, and help you to build the orchestration of them doing with the AI and empowered by AI.
Awesome. Amazing. So, today, I think you're going to show us a couple things, but maybe you're going to walk us through kind of what we need to know before we get into it. So, let's hop over and take a look.
Okay, cool. Here are the things we will cover today. I know for many SQL users, you have wished for some time that there can have some tool help you to just talk with natural language with the AI or with a tool using the natural language to help you to transform the data in your address SQL DB. So you don't need to write a complex SQL queries or something to get the data transformed and get the data you want. And then for some organizations, sometimes you also need to load your SQL data to different kind of destination for your application usage and analysis. So with the power of our Copilot for Data Factory and AI powered Data Factory, you can also easily to load your transform data and SQL data to different kind of destination. And then finally, you can also leverage this AI-powered tool of Data Factory, help you to orchestrate the whole flow for transforming, loading, and send some email notification for you to use. So today, the tool that we'll use are the AI-powered Data Factory. We will have the Copilot and AI capability enabled in our Fabric Data Factory. Help you this Copilot is enabled in both pipeline and data flow Gen 2. So it can empower you to do some transformation, use the data flow Gen 2 and Power Query Copilot. So you can transform your Azure SQL database data by leveraging this tool very easily. And then you can also leverage our pipeline copy activity pipeline to do the data movement to move from your source and destination with the requirement that you need just using natural language. Finally, you can also use the um, just using your business requirement to describe what you want to do the automation, like you ingest from the source, you do some transformation, and you send out some notification with the email, and this one can be orchestrated with the whole flow help you to make the automations. So I will firstly show you regarding the AI powered modern get data for you to do some transformation very easily. Then you can easily get your address SQL database recent use table and apply some transformation based on that. So image, we can use an example for you to better understand. So image in your organization, you are a business analyst, and you store all your customers' data in a centralized SQL database. Uh, like you store all the product sales by regions in the centralized SQL database, and as a user, you just say, I want to you don't need to your goal is you want to find the every month products total sales price in this Azure SQL database. So previously, maybe you need to do a lot of steps, like you need to do the group by, do the sort, do a filtering. But with the power of the Copilot, you just need to share exactly the business goal, then it can achieve that. So yeah, why not we just start with this demo to let you see how powerful of that.
Awesome. Let's take a look.
This is my Fabric workspace. First, I will create a new data flow Gen 2. Then I click Get Data. In Modern Get Data, I can start with the Copilot tab. Copilot immediately shows my recently used SQL database tables, so I can very easily pick the right SQL table with just one click, and then I can preview data. Then I just need to tell Copilot with a natural language that show me monthly total sales price for each product. Copilot understands my business requirements with a natural language, and then it generates the transformation steps automatically without writing so many complex M language steps. I can still keep chatting when I type at. Copilot lets me easily reference the table columns to filter, so I can adjust the result interactively. I can continue to chat with Copilot to get a further result I want. And anyone can understand what's happening using the Copilot explain to describe the full query or even the single step with a natural language. With the power of modern get data Copilot, you can easily get insights from your Azure SQL data in minutes.
Awesome. Thanks, Penny. That's super cool to see. It's making it really easy for folks to use Copilot and Data Factory. Are there any other things that folks can do with this sort of capabilities?
Yes, we also have the Copilot for data pipeline. You can use the AI power capability help you to orchestrate the whole flow from your side. You can just talk with Copilot. Copilot will help you to copy the data from Azure data so data Azure SQL Data BB and do some orchestration connect with your data flow for doing some transformation. After everything completed, it can send email to notification you, and all these things can be scheduled in a frequency that you want, and everything can be set up with natural language.
Wow, that's amazing. Can we take a look at an example?
Yes, let's look at demo.
Awesome.
I'm responsible for handling customer reported issues and making sure they reach the right support teams. To help with this, my team suggests setting up a data pipeline to automatically send emails about customer issues to the correct groups. I started by creating an empty pipeline and used Copilot to make this setup quick and easily. I simply asked the Copilot to find customer issues table in my Azure SQL database. Then I want to check each issue's type. If the issue type columns contains pre-sales, the mail will go to pre-sales group. Otherwise, it will go to after-sales group. Copilot built most of the activities for me, so all I had to do was confirming the right data connection and table. Even though I wasn't familiar with the technical steps like lookup for each or if activities, as well as some variables, Copilot helped me to handle it. So I didn't have to learn anything from scratch. The pipeline has successfully run.
Awesome. Wow. Thanks, Penny. That was super cool. As a not data transformation expert, I sometimes get lost in a lot of the details here. So it's super awesome that Copilot is going to be right there with me, kind of interacting with the UI as well as doing things and interacting on the chat. Any final tips or tricks for folks who are just getting started with this?
Yeah, I'm so happy to sharing these exciting features. So we will keep posting our new features of the AI and Copilot related things for Data Factory in our Fabric blogs. So keep tuned in the new features. We will share more.
Awesome. Great. Well, Penny, thanks so much for coming on the show. To our viewers, if you like this episode, go try it out for yourself in Fabric Data Factory with the new AI assisted capabilities. Leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Leave us a like, subscribe to our channel, and we hope to see you next time on Data Exposed.